Good morning friends. Today we are going to differentiate the following functions. Now the first one is y equal to sin ax plus b. Now keep this inner function as u. So u equal to ax plus b. Okay. Now y becomes sin u. So this is a function in u. So differentiate with u. Dy by du equal to d by du of sin u. D by du of sin u is cos u. Now we have u equal to ax plus b. So this is a function in x. So differentiate with respect to x. So du by dx equal to d by dx of ax plus b. That is d by dx of ax plus d by dx of b, which is d by dx of ax equal to a into d by dx of x. So plus 0. So this is a. So we have dy by du and du by dx. Now dy by dx equal to dy by du into du by dx. So dy by du is cos u. Du by dx is a. So cos u means ax plus b into a. So a cos ax plus b is the solution.